Alright, hello everybody. I just wanted to make a quick update video. I've got some what I consider to be exciting news. I've got the computer running stable without having to rebuild it. Um, and honestly, I'm still in shock as to what I did to get it to run stable. Just to prove it to you, I've got a little program here that's just incrementing a 16-bit number in RAM and then printing it out as hex along with a control feed and a control whatever the fuck, line feed and the other thing, carriage return and line feed. And it works. And this is actually running at, well, I don't want to say 500 kilohertz, but it's supposed to be 500 kilohertz. I'm assuming it's a little bit less due to this thing, but roughly 500 kilohertz. And so far, it's working a treat. So the thing that I did, and a big shout out to person on some other video that I don't remember the name of, but I was commenting on someone else's video about their 6502 computer, talking about my issues, and the person replied and suggested, first of all, resistors for the IRQ, NMI, RDY, SOB, and BE pins on the 6502, as well as posting schematics, which I will do at some point, but they're actually based on things that you can find online easily. I'll link to that in this video anyway. I should have done that earlier. Anyway, the thing that I didn't have, I had my bus enable pin tied to VCC directly instead of through a resistor. Now, I don't have the electrical knowledge to know whether adding a resistor there actually is what is fixing this, or if I'm just getting really lucky. But on the other 4 pins, you can see 1, 2, 3, and then 4, I had a resistor, a 3K3. So I just added another one here, got rid of the jumper wire, and I was not expecting this to work, but it's still running. So huge shout out to someone who I apologize for not having their name. I am in shock and very happy. So yeah, I will link to what I've been basing my design off of so far, as well as what was the other thing? I'll post the source code for what it's running right now. Not that it's all that interesting, but I'll post it anyway. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it for this video. I think the next thing that I'm going to do probably is a little bit of software. Now that I have like RAM and the serial port working stable, I want to play around with software for a while and see what I can do with what we have here, just for fun and just because I need to practice my assembly. So hopefully next video I'll have a brainfuck interpreter to show you guys. That would be cool. So anyway, until next time, thank you guys.